down here, so he doesn't know. Ah, hi Bob. Can I sell your cock? Oh!
Bob, I want you to get up and throw that shit back on the camera.
Hey, I'm trying to catch a nigga. What the fuck?
What am I looking at?
What the fuck am I watching?
Wiggle that shit for me. Can I see your fat ass in the camera? That's the question. I mean the reflection.
What the fuck is going on, cuz?
Just leave that. Whoa, what's the fuck's going on there? The power cord.
The fuck? I'm Bob. Hi. What's up, Bob?
Hello, Bob.
Bob. Hi, Bob. Hi.
Yeah, what's up? Yo, what's up, Bob? But if only you knew what happened to my life, then you'd understand. God damn.
What happened?
No. Shit, hope you understand the tribulations, but hope you understand what
Plug
other
me in.
people